Unlocking the secrets of the human microbiome, a new frontier in scientific discovery. Imagine a world where we can precisely manipulate the trillions of microorganisms living within us to optimize health and combat disease. This isn't science fiction, it's the potential future unlocked by fully understanding the human microbiome. The human microbiome is a complex ecosystem encompassing bacteria, fungi, viruses, and other microorganisms residing in and on our bodies. It's not just about the gut, it's on our skin, in our lungs, and everywhere in between. These microbial communities play crucial roles in digestion, immunity, and even mental health. They influence everything from nutrient absorption to our susceptibility to infections. Understanding the intricate interactions within the microbiome and its impact on human physiology is a monumental task, but the potential rewards are immense. Despite significant advancements, several challenges hinder our complete understanding of the microbiome. One major hurdle is the sheer complexity and diversity of microbial communities. Identifying and characterizing all the species present, along with their functions, requires sophisticated techniques. Culturing many of these microorganisms in the lab remains difficult, limiting our ability to study them directly. Another challenge is the variability of the microbiome between individuals. Factors like diet, genetics, and environment all contribute to this diversity, making it difficult to establish universal principles. Fortunately, cutting-edge technologies are revolutionizing microbiome research. Metagenomics allows us to analyze the genetic material of entire microbial communities without the need for culturing. Metabolomics provides insights into the metabolic activities of the microbiome, revealing the compounds they produce and consume. These metabolites can have profound effects on human health. Single-cell sequencing is enabling us to study individual microbial cells, providing a more detailed understanding of their functions and interactions. These technologies are painting a clearer picture of the microbiome's complexity. A comprehensive map of the human microbiome could revolutionize medicine and healthcare. Personalized therapies tailored to an individual's unique microbial profile could become a reality. Imagine using microbiome analysis to predict disease risk and intervene early with targeted dietary or probiotic interventions. We could develop new treatments for autoimmune diseases, allergies, and even cancer. Understanding the microbiome's role in mental health could lead to novel therapies for depression, anxiety, and other neurological disorders. The possibilities are truly transformative. As we delve deeper into the microbiome, ethical considerations become increasingly important. Issues such as data privacy, informed consent, and the potential for misuse of microbiome information must be addressed. Further research is needed to understand the long-term effects of microbiome manipulation. We must proceed cautiously and responsibly to ensure that these powerful tools are used for the benefit of all. The future of microbiome research is bright, with the potential to unlock new insights into human health and disease. By embracing interdisciplinary collaboration and ethical principles, we can harness the power of the microbiome to improve lives. Ready to contribute to this groundbreaking field? Explore the latest research publications, consider joining a microbiome research team, and share this video with your colleagues to spark further discussion. Together, we can unlock the secrets of the human microbiome and transform the future of medicine.